Greetings and welcome to my channel, Trisha Bakes. Today we're making apple crumble. Here I have 4 small washed apples, which I'm peeling just because I prefer having the skin off when making apple crumble. I'm chopping the apples into various sizes, and that's just to add texture to the dish. I also added 2 pears, just purely because I had them and they were going soft. The pears will break down during baking and release juices, which adds flavor to the crumble. I like to add applesauce to my apple crumble, and I've just added a small jar of 270 grams to my dish here. I also added a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and gave everything a good mix and then set it aside to work on the crumble. This is optional, but I have also added a little bit of vanilla extract. In a bowl, I've got 420 grams of plain flour, to which I'm adding 120 grams of oats. After giving everything a good mix, I'm going to add 9 tablespoons of soft brown sugar, as well as 9 tablespoons of Demerara sugar, and that helps to give the crumble a nice crunch. To my pan on a very low heat, I'm adding 270 grams of unsalted butter and allowing it to melt slowly. Once the butter has been melted, I go ahead and turn the stove off and then add the flour mixture to form the crumble. Just be patient and take your time, as the crumble will take a little while to form. I roughly put 1/3 to half of the crumble mixture to the bottom of my baking dish, just because that's how we like it in our household. And then I press it down. Then go ahead and add my apple and pear combination to the dish, and then top it with the remaining crumble. I baked my crumble for an hour on 180 degrees Celsius. I'll be back with the finished result. I allowed the crumble to cool for roughly half an hour after taking it out the oven. I'm just dishing up some for the children.
Yes, mommy, yes! Yes!
This recipe freezes really well, which means you can prepare it in advance. My children personally prefer their crumble with cold custard. Let me know in the comment section below how you eat your crumble, with hot custard, cold custard, or even ice cream. So I'm just making sure I get all the bits off, you know what I mean? Waste not, want not, and all that good stuff. And then we'll just add our, oh, sorry about that. It's burning. Why is it burning like that, Keith? What's going on? Is there something on the stove? Anyway, I'm at 180. I have a, gosh, what is it called? Well, you know your oven best.
Yes, yes! Yes!
I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Until next time, blessings.